Alright, this is a video on a Samsung Galaxy. It's actually through Verizon. I'm trying to take a video over here. It's through Verizon. Anyways, alright, we're going to replace and remove the motherboard on this phone. It's a Samsung Galaxy, Samsung SCH-1200 phone. Now I took all out. All you got to do is the back piece off. There's almost like 12 screws to this phone. I say around 10 screws. Alright, now I removed all the cables that I need to remove to the motherboard. And a screw down here. So, one screw down here. Okay. Now, I'm going to try to focus this in here for you so you can see it a little better. Okay, I removed all the cables that I need to. So all I have to do now, after I remove that last screw off the back of it, that went right here, went right in that spot right there. Went right in this spot right here. Alright, now just remove it. And that is your motherboard to this. So I have to replace the motherboard. I gotta get this camera better focused here. Try to get this camera working right. There. That should work better right there. Alright, get back to this phone. So, I gotta put the new motherboard in. Okay. Sorry about that. Now here's the new motherboard. What you gotta look out for is right there is where your video for the screen hook into. To hook up to this right there. To the screen. To hook up to that screen right there. Now, what you gotta do is take that screen It's very tricky to do this. Very tricky. Very tricky. But once you get it in, there we go. I heard it snap. You got to hear it snap in there for this to work. Now, turn it back around. Now, what you got to do, you got to make sure these connections are all the way up again. Make sure that's in, make sure that's in, make sure all the wires are out of the way. You gotta make sure the camera's in and the other camera's down right there. You gotta snap all these wires. Snap this wire back in. And then you snap the microphone where you put your head jacks in. Make sure that's plugged in. Now, you take that screw that we took out of there, the screw right here, there's a screw. Now you put the screw back on. Now, what you got to do, make sure everything's put back together, and then you snap it all back together. You got to make sure it all snaps back together. You'll hear it snap. Then you take your battery, and you put your battery in. Then you put your cover back on. And everything pretty much snaps together. Pretty much snaps together. Make sure to wipe off the fingerprints to the phone. Then you're ready to turn it on. And there you go. And that's how you replace a motherboard to a Samsung Galaxy SCH-1200. Just make a comment to my site and everything's working, as you see. Alright, just make a comment. Thank you. Bye.